So hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will unbox the 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG in this beautiful paint finish. So let's first unbox this and we'll get the review next. So finally here we have it out of the blister, and let's take a closer look at this. So this is one of those rare mainlines which comes with absolutely beautiful paint finish along with all details on the back and front. So starting off from the front, we have the Mercedes logo and all details, and on the back we get this AMG branding as well as all other decals. The paint is the main highlight of this casting, which is called pearl slate gray in this metal flake finish, which looks absolutely beautiful, and the interior color is beige, so this complements the entire casting well. The wheels are aero disc wheels with the chrome lip, so that's good. So overall this is a very good mainline casting from Hot Wheels, which is quite rare these days. So let me know what you think about this casting and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.